Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best scissors and shears that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Scissors and Shears. It doesn't matter what you have in your craft box or drawer, every home needs a pair of sewing scissors. They have so many uses, but even if you stick to their main purpose of cutting fabric, you need to buy a quality pair. The better brands make life a lot easier, so when you're trying to make a precise cut of thick materials or a thin piece of thread, they don't let you down. Number 5. Aries 32,005 7.5-inch multi-purpose shears. Multi-purpose shears are capable of cutting a variety of materials for both left and right-handed use. Large enough to accommodate the use of gloves. Main features: lightweight handles designed, made of high-carbon stainless steel, reliable and effective. Number 4. Westcott 8 inches all-purpose value straight scissors. These scissors are equipped with comfortable plastic handles. Bent scissors ideal for light-duty use. Westcott tools are some of the finest products of their kind for students. Main features: stainless steel scissors, ergonomic design, durable material. Number 3. Living Go 10 multi-purpose heavy-duty scissors. Forging press manufacturing process enables high-density steel that makes 3 times harder than normal stainless steel and are smoother cutting. Main features: hardness and durability, full-length steel blades, ergonomic ring design. Number 2. Leatherman Raptor Emergency Response Shears. The Raptor features the necessary tools for medical professionals to handle emergency situations. When it's a question of survival, the Raptor answers loud and clear. Main features: always on hand, ready for anything, simple and secure. Number 1. Fiskars 710,150 to 1001 Power Arc Shears. Comfort and control. Power Arc shears boast intelligently curved blades. Main features: heavy-duty coined stainless steel, ergonomic handle, full lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.